Hello and welcome to Matt and Maths. We're continuing our Football in Maths series, or Maths in Football, where we're going to use some football stats and Lego and Subbuteo to help explain some maths concepts. And today we're looking at rounding. So we're going to look at the size of a stadium and see how we need to use that to help us round some numbers. So imagine we're going to pick Anfield, where Mo Salah and Sadio Mane play. And their stadium size is 54,074 seats. But if you're a security firm, or you're selling food and beverages, or you want to sell a certain number of scarves at the stadium, maybe you just want to know that to the nearest 1,000. So we're going to round that number up. So to find the nearest 1,000, we look at the hundreds. In this case, it's 0. It's less than 5. So we're going to round that down. And that might be a much easier number for a company to work with, to know how many security guards or burgers or scarves to sell. Then let's look at the salary of players. So imagine we've got a player from Manchester City in a different kit there, and their salary, according to a website, which I'll put in the links below, was £6.99 million on average. So let's write that number out just so we can see how big it is. 6,990,123. The next highest salary was Manchester United, on average 6.13 million. And again, I'll write that one out. 6,130,123 pounds. Now these numbers are so big for us to understand them. Let's round them to the nearest million. So here I'm going to look at the 100,000s. That's 9, bigger than 5. I rounded up to 7 million, and I can write it in short there. And for the 6,130,000, that one is less than 5, so I round that down to 6 million. Only 6 million. So there we can compare it to the nearest million. Manchester City against Manchester United in their average salary. Now, another metric that lots of websites store and collect is the distance a player runs in a game. Now, N'Golo Kante of Chelsea, he ran 306.7 kilometres over a season. Let's round that to the nearest kilometre. That 0.7 is bigger than 5. 0.5, so 307 to the nearest unit, to the nearest kilometre. Because that is bigger than the 5, we round it up. Now, Wilfred Ndidi of Leicester, in the same length of a season, he ran 285.9 kilometres, and that 0.9 will round up to the nearest unit, nearest kilometre, 286 kilometres. So they do run a lot. Usually it's midfielders who run the most. But they each played 26 games. Let's see what it is per game. 306.7 divided by 26 gave me 11.79. Again, I want to round that to the nearest unit. It's 12 kilometres. For Ndidi, his came to 10.99. That's so close to 11. Let's just make it 11. So in one game, he's running 11 kilometres. N'Golo Kante is running 12 kilometres. So there we go. That's some football stats, some Subbuteo Lego demonstration of rounding using fans, salary, and the distance run. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share.